Hello student, welcome to my channel, A Journey of Exploring Education. Today you will see the presentation of Miss Radhika Kadam on Human Resource Management. So let's see the presentation.
Hello everyone, myself Radhika Kadam. Today I am going to tell about types of recruitment. Then what is recruitment? Recruitment is the process of identifying, shortlisting, screening and hiring potential resource for filling up the vacant places in our organization. Recruitment is the core function of human resource management. Recruitment is the process of choosing a right person at right position and at the right time. Recruitment also refers to the process of attracting, selecting, and appointing potential candidates to meet the organization's resource requirements. For any organization, recruitment is a crucial part of developing and maintaining an effective and efficient team. A good recruitment strategy will cut down the wastage of time and money which would have incurred for extensive training and development unqualified resources. Have you ever thought of how a recruiter finds the right candidates? Recruiters use different methods of source, screen, shortlist, and select the resources as per the requirements of the organization. Recruitment types explain the means by which an organization reaches potential job seekers. Recruitment is broadly classified into two different categories: internal sources and external sources. Internal sources of recruitment refer to hiring employees within the organization internally. In other words, applicants seeking for the different positions are those who are currently employed with this same organization. At the time of recruitment of employees, the initial consideration should be given to those employees who are currently working within the organization. This is an important source of recruitment which provides the opportunities for the development and utilization of the existing resources within the organization. Internal sources of recruitment are the best and the easiest way of selecting resources as performance of their work is already known to the organization. Let us now discuss more on the various internal sources of recruitment. First, promotions. Promotion refers to the upgrading the cadre of the employees by evaluating their performance in the organization. It is the process of shifting an employee from a lower position to a higher position with more responsibilities, remuneration, facilities, and status. Many organizations fill the higher vacant positions with the process of promotions internally. Second, transfers. Transfers refers to the process of interchanging from one job to another without any change in the rank and responsibilities. It can also be shifting of employees from one department to another department or one location to another location depending upon the requirement of the position. Third, recruiting former employees. Recruiting former employees is a process of internal sources of recruitment wherein the ex employees are called back depending upon the recruitment of the position. This process is cost effective and saves plenty of time. The other major benefit of recruiting former employees is that they are very versed with the roles and responsibilities of the job and the organization needs to spend less on their training and development. Fourth one is internal advertisements. Internal advertisements is a process of posting or advertising jobs within the organization. This job posting is an open invitation out to all the employees inside the organization where they can apply for the vacant positions. It provides equal opportunities to all the employees working in the organization. Hence, the recruitment will be done from within the organization and saves a lot of cost. Employee referrals. Employee referrals is an effective way of sourcing the right candidates at a low cost. It is the process of hiring new resources through the references of employees who are currently working with the organization. In the process, the present employees can refer their friends, relatives for filling up the vacant position. Previous applicants. Here, the hiring team checks the profiles of previous applicants from the organizational recruitment database. These applicants are those who have applied for jobs in the past. These resources can be easily approached and the response will be positive in most of the cases. It is also an inexpensive way of filling up the vacant positions. External sources of recruitment refer to hiring employees outside the organization externally. In other words, the applicants seeking job opportunities in this case are those who are external to the organization. External employees bring innovativeness and fresh thoughts of the organization. Although hiring through external sources is a bit expensive and tough, it has tremendous potential of driving the organization forward in the achieving its goals. Let us now discuss in detail the various external sources of recruitment. Direct recruitment. Direct recruitment refers to the external source of recruitment where the recruitment of the qualified candidates are done by placing a notice of vacancy on the notice board in the organization. This method of sourcing is also called as factory gate recruitment as the blue collar and technical workers are hired through the process. Employment exchange. As per the law, for certain job vacancies, it is mandatory that the organization provide details to the employment exchange. Employment exchange is a government entity where the details of the job seekers are stored and given to the employees for filling the vacant positions. This external recruitment is helpful in hiring for unskilled, semi skilled, and skilled workers. Employment agencies. Employment agencies are a good external source of recruitment. Employment agencies are run by various sectors like private, public, or government. It provides unskilled, semi skilled, and skilled resources as per the requirements of the organization. These agencies hold a database of qualified candidates, and organizations can use their services at a cost. Advertisements. Advertisements are the most popular and very much preferred source of external source of recruitment. The job vacancies announced through various print and electronic media with a specific job description and specifications of the recruitments. Using advertisements is the best way to source candidates in a short span and it offers an efficient way of screening the candidates' specific requirements. Professional associations. Professional associations can help an organization in hiring professional, technical, and managerial personnel. However, they specialize in sourcing mid level and top level resources. There are many professional associations that act as a bridge between organizations and the job seekers. Campus recruitment. Campus recruitment is an external source of recruitment where the educational institutions such as colleges, universities offers opportunities for hiring students. In this process, the organizations visit technical management and professional institutions for recruiting students directly for the new positions. Word of mouth advertising. Word of mouth advertising is an intangible way of sourcing the candidates for filling up the vacant positions. There are many reputed organizations with the good image in the market. Such organizations only need a word of mouth advertising regarding a job vacancy to attract a large number of candidates. Thank you.
If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.